The easiest and fastest ways to make money online. Making money online in today's era seems like a dream, but is it really possible? Can you earn a good income just by sitting at home using a mobile or laptop? Yes. And today, I will tell you 5 easy and fast methods that people are using to earn thousands of dollars daily. These methods are 100% real and working, and if you apply them wisely, you too can start making money soon. Method number 1, freelancing. If you have any skills such as video editing, graphic designing, web development, content writing, then you can start working today on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Minimum earnings: $5 to $500 per project. How fast you can earn? Within 7 days. Best platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour. Tip: if you don't have any skills yet, learn from free YouTube tutorials and start within a month. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. This is one of the best and fastest ways to make money without any investment. How it works: 1. Sign up for an affiliate account on platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and Daraz. 2. Get a unique product link and share it on social media, websites, or YouTube. Whenever someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Minimum earnings: $10 to $1,000 per month. How fast you can earn? First earnings possible within 30 days. Best platforms: Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, Digistore24. Tip: create reviews, blogs, and videos to increase affiliate sales. Method number 3, YouTube monetization. If you have knowledge about any topic, you can make videos and earn money on YouTube. How it works: 1. Create a new YouTube channel. Upload videos on a specific niche like motivation, finance, technology, education, or success tips. 3. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will monetize your channel. 4. Earn through YouTube ads and sponsorships, making thousands every month. Minimum earnings: $100 to $10,000 per month. How fast you can earn? Within 3 to 6 months. Best platforms: YouTube, TikTok. Tip: you can succeed without showing your face. Just use voiceovers and engaging visuals. Method number 4, dropshipping. This is a new business model where you can run an e-commerce store without any investment. How it works: 1. Set up a store on Shopify or WooCommerce. List products from AliExpress. 3. When someone places an order, you forward it to the supplier and they deliver directly to the customer. The customer receives the product and you earn the profit. Minimum earnings: $500 to $10,000 per month. How fast you can earn? Within 1 month. Best platform: Shopify, WooCommerce, AliExpress. Tip: run Facebook and Instagram ads to get more sales. Method number 5, selling online courses. If you have expertise in anything, you can create an online course and earn millions. How it works: 1. Upload your course on Udemy, Teachable, or YouTube. 2. Promote it through social media and YouTube. 3. When people buy your course, you start making money. Minimum earnings: $100 to $50,000 per month. How fast you can earn? Within 2 to 3 months. Best platforms: Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare. Tip: teach something in demand like digital marketing, coding, freelancing, or video editing. Conclusion: these 5 methods are the easiest and fastest ways to make money online today. You can choose any method based on your skills and interests and start working right away. Now tell me, which method will you try first? Comment below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more amazing content.